Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys my Infinity Pro hair dryer by Conair. I came across this hair dryer because I went to the salon and my stylist used a hair dryer with a comb attached, and I thought it makes things so much easier to have a comb attached. So I found this one which comes with 3 attachments, as you can see. I love this hair dryer. I have thin hair, so it doesn't take long to dry my hair. This is the one that I use because I have thin hair and it works perfectly for me. As I'm combing through and it's drying my hair, it also straightens it out a bit, so it's not just drying it like a blow dryer where it's still curly, but it combs it out as it's blow drying my hair. It has a couple of settings, high and a low, and it has this button here for a cool shock. These attachments are interchangeable and so you can use whatever one works best for you. But what I love is that you can also use it without any of the attachments, so it looks kind of like this, and you can blow dry your hair that way. So many options, which is what I love about this hair dryer, and it works so well. And that's my point of view.